everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jeppy or Jessie, either way. Today I'm going to be talking about this car parking heater, diesel air. I got this on Amazon. We are planning on doing a lot of camping trips coming up here shortly in our rooftop tent that I'll tell you guys about later. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a video on my rooftop tent and all things camping. So I'm unboxing this. I just got this from Amazon. I did open up the top, but I haven't taken it out yet. So let's open it together. I'm excited. It's not super heavy, but it's not super light either. I'm not sure how much it weighs, but I'll figure that out and put it in the description. Oh, there's some little handles in there. That's what we needed. Bear with me. There we go. Drop out the box. Supplies. It's very well packaged. Nice foam pieces. Taking care of it well. Snugly fit in the box. Some bubble wrap. So this is a diesel heater. And of course it is portable. You can use it in your car. You can use it in your tent. Let's see. The brand is Hcalory, if I'm saying that correctly. So here, I believe, is where we put our fuel. It's got a nice little LED screen. That's where I would imagine the heat comes out. Okay. So, yeah, not that heavy. And again, I'll check the weight and put that in the description for you. Bear with me. Wasn't prepared, y'all. Inside, we've got all the little pieces that we need. Metal tubing. Tubing, small, and then a larger plastic tubing. It's kind of flexible a little bit. This one's really flexible. All the little fasteners. I'm thinking some sort of filter. Not sure. Another little doohickey. I'm not sure what this is. And a remote. I didn't even know it came with a remote. So excited about that. So I'm going to look over this bad boy, check out the instructions, and then I'll come back and give you guys a little more detailed information on how it works and what all these parts actually are. So bear with me, I'm just learning the videos. Stay tuned if you'd like to see more. I'll have a lot more videos on camping stuff coming up shortly. Let me know what you'd like to see also. Thanks so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Have a great day.